Today I'm at Fraser's in Ashford, Kent, where our first Growing Green cohort is meeting for a showcase event as part of the programme, and I'm joined by Dr. Flora O'Brien, who's going to explain a bit more about how the programme works and, more importantly, how your business could benefit. So, Flora, what is Growing Green?
So Growing Green is an environmental sustainability program for micro, small, medium-sized businesses in the horticultural, food and drink sector within the Kent and Medway area. So the idea of the program is that you get to learn more, upskill yourself so you can learn about how to make your business more sustainable. You'll have opportunities to network with other like-minded people in similar businesses, and then you can get qualifications, training from the program. You can apply for a grant of up to £7,000, and that will fund an innovative project to carry out for your business to help improve its sustainability.
And if the people watching this video aren't sure if their business is eligible for Growing Green, they can get more information on our website, growingkentandmedway.com. So that all sounds absolutely fantastic, but I wonder if you could explain what's going to be required from the business as far as a skeptical business owner watching this.
So as long as you've met all our eligibility criteria, all we ask is that you set aside some time to attend the training program. So that will amount to 2 days to do the IEMA training course. And then after that, it's pretty flexible. You just need to set aside an hour or two to have a one-to-one phone call with our trainer, who will help carry you through the process, guide you through the forms you fill in. And then there is match funding required for the grant. So this can be either through cash contributions or in kind. So it's designed to be as flexible as possible, because we understand these are small businesses who have often not much free time available.
And what sort of projects can people use this grant money to do in their businesses?
So we ask that the projects are innovative in some way. So that just means bringing something new into the business that is improving sustainability. So it could be repurposing waste products, for example, to be used as another product in itself. It could be introducing some sort of renewable energy into the system.
And if you want to get a bit more inspiration as to the sort of projects that you can do, we actually have some case study videos from the Growing Green pilot program on our YouTube. So just search for Growing Kent and Medway or follow the link. If this is on YouTube, it will be below. If you're watching this on LinkedIn, it will be above. And finally, how do businesses apply?
Just visit our website, scroll down to the bottom of the page. There's an Apply Now button. It's a fairly straightforward application. But if you have any questions and we're not sure about something, just get in touch with us and we'll be happy to help.
So there you have it. That's Growing Green in a nutshell. And as Flora said, if you want to find out more, just visit our website, growingkentandmedway.com, or email contact@growingkentandmedway.com. You'll be put in touch with someone that can help and offer advice if you're not sure on what to do, or if you're eligible, they can answer all of those questions. So thank you very much for watching.